Look at MFER. All right, we're going to take a look at this thing. Last time we did this chart, we took a fib right from this top down to the bottom, and we came up and just about nailed that exactly. Okay, right up towards 4 cents. Now you're getting a correction out of this thing. Typically, if this is not an ABC, which it's not, okay, it looks like 5 waves down. Looks like 1, 2, 3, a 4th wave back up, and possibly a 5th wave down. Usually these 4th waves will pull back to a 382. Okay, so we put a fib on here. If you see a run back up to this level, right back up to here, which is at, it's at a 0.027, right about there, 0.027. Yeah, right about there. Okay, run back up there, and then one final flush. That would give this a push down to right here. Okay, 0.0178. All right, does that line up with anything? Let's take a look here, okay? First off, let's go. Get that off there, get that off there. All right, if this is our target down here for a bottom, let's go off down here and put a fib on this thing. And look at that. Pretty close to a 702 at 0.0173. That would be probably absolutely perfect. That's more than likely where it's going to come hit. All right, that would be your 702 Fibonacci. Then I would expect a march back up from there. Now don't get me wrong, this is very good support through here. You can see, right through here it was very good support right through this zone we're at, but typically these tend to end up coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one final flush. You think it's heading up, and then it turns around and rolls over and gets you one more flush down here. All right, I'm not saying it can't hold here and head up. That's very, very possible. I mean, if you're going off of this higher area here, you'd be right in a 618 towards a 702. But I just think it has one more push down here. Okay, so I'm going to put a box down here, right down through here, and say, this is my opinion only, okay? And right there, I think we're going to start our march back up here. Now, let's get this off here. Now, let's say it does pull down to that area, okay? And that is our bottom. And then it starts on its way back up here. Okay, after this comes down there, let me put an arrow here so when we come back to this, I know what I'm talking about here. Put an arrow down to this price range. We'll put a price label on it. Down towards this area here, okay? Then I would expect a rebound and for it to head back up into these areas first off. Okay, right back up towards the 702 and 618. And if we break through them levels, obviously up towards 0.053 would be our next target up. Okay, you can see this first set of waves right in here ended up being 1, 2, 3, 4. You had 5 waves up, then you have your corrective structure, and then you should start another 5 waves towards the upside. Okay, so that's what we will watch for on this. But right now, I would expect one more push down here, probably a put right back up to 0.0273, and then roll over down to 0.0174, and then a push back up towards that 3 cent range. Okay, and then if we break through there, up towards 5. But we got a lot of good stuff going on in this market, guys. Bitcoin dominance is reaching that 60 percentile where I expect it to roll over and an alt season to start. Okay, I expect this to come up here, get rejected, and then start rolling down possibly down here towards anywhere from 25 to 28% right down in that zone, and that is going to make these altcoins fly. Okay, we are going to have a major run with these other tokens. Even though Bitcoin's price I expect to keep heading towards the upside, anywhere from anywhere between 90 to $100,000 right back off here, back off this prior high. If you put a fib on it, it goes right up to 102,000. All right, and with the flag pole, you have a bull flag up here. You also have a wedge, but the bull flag, if you take the pole and put it on there, it puts you right at about 100 grand. So this is coming right in line here. You know, it's going to end up right up in this zone up here, more than likely for a top for Bitcoin. And what's that going to do? That's going to give you 5 waves up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave up. Okay, especially out on a monthly, you can see it a lot more cleaner on a monthly chart here. If you want to learn how to do this stuff, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. It's only $15. You get 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting like this, and you get a link to the Discord to come trade with us. We're in a turbo long right now. All right, looking to turn a couple $100 into $4,000 or $5,000. All right, just on this one trade. So with an alt season coming, don't miss out, man. I'm not saying, you know, if you don't join up with me, go join up with somebody, get in some groups and start trading with some people. We have over 200 people in our group, and we have some super great traders in there. I mean, guys do 10, 20x all the time, constantly posting trades over there. We got some very, very good traders. Don't miss out on this alt season. There's a lot of money to be made, especially if these things start doing, you know, bigger pushes up here. This with this MFER, this could all end up being just a big 1, 2. This would be your third wave up here, right? 4th wave pullback, and then another and then possibly another push up here, maybe even towards 7.5. We'll just have to see how this all works out. You know, this alt season kicks in. These things are going to absolutely fly. All right, it's going to be normal to see 30% a day, 40%. That's normal. I've been through 2 of them now, and it's insane what can happen. Don't be shocked if it heads up here towards 11. That would be you'd be getting into retracement levels then. Yeah, I mean, it could even go higher than that, 12, 14. I don't know if this is a legit all-time high over here or not, but if it is, and we get a very serious alt season, you know, which Bitcoin dominance dropping down to 25% is a pretty serious alt season. Don't be shocked, you know. Not saying it's heading to 18 to 20 cents, but if we get a very, very good alt season going and these things start ripping, don't be shocked at all. I mean, it's perfectly normal. I've been through 2 of them now, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. You'll open up your wallet each day, and you'll be like, oh my God. Yeah, it'll blow your mind. It's unreal. It's so much fun. Don't miss out on the money, guys. You know, if you don't join my group, go join somewhere. And if you do join and you're not making $15 a month at least, then cancel it. You'll get that out of the videos alone. Learn how to do this stuff on your own. There's so much money to be made in this market. If you can do this for a living and just work from wherever you want in the world, that's everybody's dream. That's what you want to do, right? I mean, that's what everybody wants to do. So, you know, for $15, take a shot at it. If you don't like it, cancel it. But I think you will. Like I said, we have over 200 people in our group. We're trading over there constantly. Have a great day, everybody. I will be back with you soon. Watch for a pullback down here and then a bounce to start up here. Have a great day, everybody.